the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up.
So today, first of all, I didn't expect it to rain. It is pouring. As you can see behind me, it's pouring outside. So we lit some candles. You can see I have like 2 things of fall decor out. I'm trying to hold off until September, especially since it's still so hot here in Florida. But I don't know, you know, you gotta do what makes you happy. I'm considering putting up some stuff today. So anyway, we normally start with our morning time, but today we're gonna do things a little different, and Arilyn and I are gonna start with all of her core subjects, so that's language arts and math. And I'm gonna post 2 separate videos. You guys, just if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that. If you wanna see, we'll do it anyway. But I'm gonna do a lesson with her video on the Good and the Beautiful level 2, as well as the Good and the Beautiful math level 2, and some other levels as well. But today you'll just see glimpses of it. And then after this, I'll check my planner and we will get into some of the fun stuff.
And she always sits with us.
Yeah, where she? Here she is. Here. Into school. Be aware. So from Target, I got this little thing of 3x5 cards. And so what we're doing is we're writing her spelling words on here. And I have a spelling video that shows you the different things that we do for spelling. So we go through these for 5 minutes every morning along with the language arts. But first we have to do our devotional. Where's your devotional? Let's see. So we do this Mommy and Me devotional that I actually got for free at our homeschool co-op when they were giving away books, but we're enjoying it. And today, being respected is more important than having great riches. Gonna make a video on her little library of books that we have here that she's gonna read, so I can share with you guys. It'll be like my first library. So this year I am having Aaron use a planner. So right now I'm writing down all of his things. In the future, hold on, sweetie. Oh yeah, you do have your planner, and I didn't write your things down, but I can write it down now. In the future, I'm going to have him write it down. And he's also going to start reading Treasure Island today because it goes with the unit that we're studying for history. And then my teenager refuses to use a planner, and I bought her a really pretty one, so it goes to Aralyn. So I'm going to write down your stuff here, and you can check off the things that you're done with, you know, when school's over, okay? And then I have my customized plum paper planner. All right, and let's see, Aralyn is doing language arts. She'll almost be done, so we'll check off that. Then they just have to swap. All right, Aaron, we do have to do your mental math, okay? And then I do have to check your answers. All right, Aaron, I'm gonna write, you're gonna come when you're done to the whiteboard. I'm gonna write some Roman numerals down, and you're gonna tell me the number for them, okay? All right, so I'm gonna check his math from yesterday and today because I didn't check it yesterday either. And then I have my little teacups here I'm gonna rinse out with some water in case they're dusty. And I'm gonna show you how I set up our poetry tea time. I also have to print out some winter poems. And then Aralyn's gonna set up the place she wants to have her poetry. And we'll have a look. You know you're gonna write poetry too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get my lesson out and all that.
We might even put hot cocoa and stuff.
So we're pretending it's really cold outside, even though it's really hot outside, because we're gonna read a book about snow, and we're gonna do a snow tea time.
And so if we're having hot cocoa, it's all nice, and it's cold outside. And
Yeah.
It's like winter.
Like winter. Pretend like it's snowing out there. We got our candles
I've
on.
never seen snow.
Yeah.
Because I was more in Florida.
I know. Okay, so the books that we're going to use this year, things we're using for poetry tea time, are this Poetry Patterns and Themes book that I got at Homeschool Convention 2 or 3 years ago. I got this book for free at our co-op giveaway, Come to My Tea Party, and it's a cookbook for tea time snacks, Aralyn. Look, golden raisin scones, cherry cheesecake pie, breadsticks, banana nut bread. There's smoothies and salads and sandwiches. So I think that next time we can even have like a breakfast, tea time, lunch, dinner. I think we should try different things, Aralyn. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? The things we like, we keep the menus, the recipes, okay? And then I also use the BraveWriter.com's. She has a list of poetry themes, and I get ideas for what books to use. And today we're just gonna read some of the poetry for snow that she has listed on there. All right, who wants to read the first poem? It's called Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. So today we're gonna read this one poem. Normally I'll have a whole bunch of books, but I don't know why I don't. I think I didn't request them in time. And then we pick something from here. So today it's gonna be snowman poetry. Snowman poetry, guys, is written in 2 stanzas, questions and answers. So there's questions in the first stanza and answers in the second stanza. So I got these books from Emerging Green. They're environment friendly. The paper is made of certified recycling paper, which reduces the need to cut down trees. It helps preserve our forest and a future generation. It also helps save energy, water, and landfill space. So these are the books that we are going to use for poetry tea time. If they want, they can decorate the front. And I'm gonna hand these out to them now. go.
Snowman at the park. Why are you alone? Are you afraid of the dark? Where is your home? Oh, dear child, I was made here. Yes, I'm afraid it is wild, but I have friends that are dear.
That was very pretty. Let's see. Awesome. Now the next step is, if you want, you can watercolor a picture over it later. Okay? I'm so excited, guys, because my Plexus products came in. I'm going to share with you what I got and what they do. So this is called the Triplex Combo, and it consists of 3 products that are companion products. So basically, this slim drink here regulates blood sugar and it feeds the good microbes in our bodies. And then the ProBio 5 kills the bad microbes and adds the good so that the slim can feed it. And then the Bio Cleanse is oxygenating the body, initiating the 300 plus natural reactions that result in the body releasing toxins through the colon and creating an oxygen environment that pathogens cannot thrive in. So when you use all these 3 things together, it's really powerful, encouraging the growth of good bacteria that can help with weight loss, gut health, improvement in general proper glucose metabolism, and a host of other things. Yeah. Okay, so for Aaron's, he's got to do dictation. He just read to me like Speedy Gonzalez. And then he's going to be doing independent and dependent clauses today. And then you're going to use some grammar practice through art. And then writing practice. So you have a nice big lesson to do. So we're going to go do your dictation. Let me go grab the book. And Arlen's doing her independent math work. You forgot this here. The section up there that's blank. Calendar. It says using the January calendar, answer the questions below. Write the date that is circled in green. So remember month, number, day, and then year.
So January 16th, 2024.
Correct.
And then
We're continuing school on the floor, on this messy floor, because it's here. So, all right, so for math, we're going to do doubles plus 1 with the clock from the math box. All right, so the kids are pretty much done their work. Normally we do a read out loud. This room's a mess, but normally we do a read out loud in the morning and we do history and all that there. But today we did poetry tea time, so I didn't want to spend another hour doing school. We did all of our other subjects as you saw, and right now the kids are going to have their hour of screen time. When they're done, Arlen wants to do the art that we didn't get to do, which is going to be like a watercolor painting and then sprinkling salt on it to make it a snow picture. So that'll be like the last thing that we're going to do for school. And I need a little bit of a rest. I'm really tired today. Now I'm tired, not tired today. I was fine earlier, but now I'm tired. Make sure you guys stick around, subscribe if you haven't. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. But I'm also going to be doing a lot of day in the life videos based on a lot of the lessons that we did today, so you guys can see a deeper look into each of the curriculum that we use. And if you have questions or videos that you want to see based on different curriculum, please let me know, put in the comments, and I'll do my best to make a video on it. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.